All right, so hopefully you're able to do the practice. I just want to introduce today's practice. We're doing numbers 1 to 10. I figure we could do 2 of these together and make sure we get the correct answers here. So I figured since I'm going to post the answers to the odds, I would do some of those examples for you. That way you do the evens completely on your own. So if you go to number 5 here, let's do 2 more examples here. Okay, it says these problems get more complex. Be sure to check your answer. Okay, so here goes. So let's plug in what we know. The volume for this one is 9646.1. And then we know the formula here is pi r squared times height for this cylinder. So we're going to write 3.14. We do not know what the radius is, but we do know that height is 12. All right, actually doesn't look too bad. So we'll multiply 3.14 times 12. So I'm going to do 3.14 times 12. And I'm going to get, this side is 37.68 radius squared, 9646.1. Now I get to divide each side by 37.68. 37.68. And then you're left with radius squared. You divide this side of my calculator. Again, you need a calculator for all this stuff. 9646.1 divided by 37.68. Yeah, comes out to 256. So if you look at my calculator, that is definitely a lot of zeros. So I'm just going to write 256, but I'm not done yet because now I have to square root. I don't know if that's a perfect square. So 256 square root. Oh yeah, it looked kind of nice. So radius is equal to a plain old 16 for that one. All right, one more example to get through with you is number 9. So here goes. This one is volume equals pi r squared times height divided by 3. The volume is 16.5 equals 3.14. My radius here, and this one's a little trickier. Radius isn't 3. I'm actually going to write, radius squared times 1.5 squared times the height we don't know, all divided by 3. First thing I gotta do is declare that fraction, multiply this side by 3, this side by 3. So 16.5 times 3, 49.5, 3.14, the 1.5 squared, and then the height out here. So if I do just this part of my calculator, I'm going to do 1.5 times 1.5 times 3.14. Messed up. 1.5 times 1.5 times 3.14. This part clears out to, or calculates out to 7.065 height for 9.5. Divide each side by 7.065, 7.065. Yeah, this one, again, basically that's 7. So I get 7 equals height. So again, these numbers have a whole bunch of decimals, but in the end, it does come out to a height of 7. So I hope this helps you get started with the rest of these questions. If you're confused, please send me an email. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Remember, my office hours during this time are daily from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So have a great day. And again, I posted the answers to the odds. So hopefully that will help you check your work and make sure you're doing the right stuff.